Kevin Schmidlin here, host of Philly Who, with a very important message from 3 Philadelphia doers who have spent the past week working around the clock to help combat the COVID-19 crisis.
My name is Michael Wong, co-founder and CEO of InstaHub.
My name is Tiffany Yao, and I'm the founder and CEO of Fulfill.
My name is Evan Weinstein. I'm the founder and CEO of Cocoa Press.
Michael, Tiffany, and Evan have teamed up with each other, along with John Gamba, who is the Director of Innovative Programs at Penn's Graduate School of Education, to form Project SHIELD.
We are currently 3D printing 100 face shields per day and scaling up to 1,000 face shields per day to donate to hospital frontline medical workers to combat COVID-19.
These 3 entrepreneurs have dedicated the full power of their businesses to this effort.
We've completely halted operations.
At first, it was just Michael, who was 3D printing as many face shields as he possibly could.
Everything was out of pocket on supplies, and Evan messaged and offered to donate filaments.
Filament is what you feed into a 3D printer to allow it to create whatever you're building.
At the same time, Tiffany learned about the effort herself, and it hit home.
My own dad is a family physician working at 4 hospitals that have COVID patients.
So she too switched gears and dedicated her entire nonprofit to helping mass produce face shields.
A face shield is a really essential part to defending yourself from COVID-19. It's best used in addition with a face mask, which most of us are very familiar with. But the face shield is basically able to shield you from the COVID-19 air droplets and splatter. The current health system does not have enough face shields, which is why it's even more important for engineers and social entrepreneurs like us to step up and be able to provide them to those who need it most.
Within days of teaming up, Project SHIELD quickly hit the ceiling of how much they could produce and contribute to the fight against COVID-19.
This is a war zone. We need it. We can't get face shields. It forces us to ramp up production, not only in the short term, but also for the long term.
In order to do that, they needed help. So they created a GoFundMe.
Our initial fundraising goal was $25,000. It's been 1 week since our launch, and we are right now at $35,000. We've increased our goal to $100,000.
And the key reasons for raising the goal is primarily due to the higher demand of face shields and the difficult decisions to prioritize which hospital needs it the most. We need to get it to them ASAP within weeks.
Today, we are asking all who can contribute to support this effort via contributions on Project SHIELD's GoFundMe.
We're looking for donations of at least $20 because $20 pays for 20 shields.
The finances are being handled by Fulfill, which is a nonprofit, so the entirety of your contribution is tax deductible.
If people have the ability to donate, we would really appreciate it. If people don't have the ability to donate, people can share our GoFundMe, can get in touch with us to volunteer, or even just staying at home to stop the spread of the coronavirus will really help to flatten the curve and ensure that the hospitals don't get overwhelmed.
Share and reshare all the content we're reposting every single day, and reach out to existing companies for corporate sponsorship. So they might have a corporate one-to-one matching opportunity, or they might personally have their corporation donate a few thousand, which will help accelerate the expansion of the production.
On top of that, we also have an in-kind donation form where if they happen to have the materials that we need to produce these shields, they are more than welcome to be able to send them over to our facilities.
It can also be equipment such as gloves, cleaning supplies, and also masks, because as our volunteers who come to the physical space leaving from their home, they're also taking the risk, and we need to make sure that they're fully protected to be able to manufacture, assemble, and distribute. And all excess supplies that we have and how we manage will be going directly to the hospitals as well. So we can serve as that distribution channel.
On top of that, we also have on our website a Make PPE section.
PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment. It's all the equipment that medical professionals use to protect themselves from COVID.
If people have the capacity, equipment, the 3D printers and filament to be able to print our shields.
If you're willing to donate, follow our process, we're willing to share the files with you to be able to 3D print and figure out logistics so that by the end of the week, if you've had 50 to 100 of these 3D printed face shields, we can pick them up so it will increase the speed.
If you or someone you know represents a health facility that needs these face shields,
all they need to do is go to our website, projectshields.org, and click on Request PPE, fill out a form, and we get back to them as soon as possible. And from there, we arrange all the logistics from delivery, pickup, and so on.
From everyone at Project Shield and Philly Who, please consider making a contribution, either by donating, volunteering, or at the very least, spreading the word of this crucial project right now.
This is the critical time. We can't delay this out until May, June, or more. A lot of us might be at home feeling that there's not much we can do, but there's actually a lot we can do. Simply sharing our journey and message to everyone to be able to help accelerate. Your help will not only help expand our efforts to serve the medical frontline workers, but to those who also need them, grocery store clerks and also transportation workers and even more, who keeps the whole economy and our livelihoods running. Everyone can make a difference. Think a little bit more creative, open your hearts. This can truly scale.
The link to the Project Shield GoFundMe, where you can donate, and the link to their website, where you can learn more, volunteer, and request shields, are all in the show notes, or can be found at podphillywho.com/shield. Philly Who will be back with new episodes within the next few weeks, but until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and please donate to and spread the word of Project Shield. Much love, everyone.